You abandoned me. Love don't live here anymore.
You can take a guess what it is. Sorry, short for a shifter. This is our little spec sheet. Just a checklist to make sure everything's here, present, which I appreciate because there's been plenty of times where I've not gotten everything that I needed to receive. But if I have any problems, homeboy right here, I'm coming for you, alright? That's on your ass. Let's go ahead and get to it. Packaging paper, nothing new. Oh, handle right up top. Okay, I think I'm gonna save this for last.
Come on now, dog.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
So here's the washer boost, the lock nuts, little MGW shifter sticker. I'm gonna be placing this down here. You already know what that is. To be honest with you, I don't know what the hell this little thing is right here. I feel like a linkage. Got some padding. Got some key shielding, it's padding. It says Dynamat on it. Good brand, good brand. Appreciate that. And then our last little box in here we got. I don't know what the fuck this is, but let's see. Where'd my knife go? So, let's see. To be honest with you, I don't know what to expect, because, like, that looks like all of it right there, to be honest with you, but, you know, I'm up for surprises, good surprises, good surprises. Oh, okay, I was wrong. I was wrong. So, here's the main component that mounts up to the transmission down there. Throw that little shifty thing in there somewhere at some point, and then yeah, does what it does. But I can't wait to get this all together. Now, what I didn't see, which might be okay, it's no big deal. I'm sure it's on the website, but instructions. I got a sticker, so you know, as far as papers go, all you get is your checklist and your purchase receipt, but that's about it. So I hope you guys have YouTube accessible, because you're gonna need it if you're not already. But we'll figure this out together. Kinda wanna tap into here and just get a feel for what it's gonna look like. You know how long I've been waiting for this? Try not to drop this though, because it'll be pressed too. Alright, we're making progress, Throw that back on. It's, no problems. Woo! Oh god. So, here is the new shifter. God, those throws. Oh god. Those throws are so short. My neighbors are looking at me. Yeah, anyways, I'm not a crackhead. And I opted for the Expect. Got the 25% reduction, so I'm gonna notice a difference. If you thought I was gonna end this video off without doing a cold start, you're bugging. We're gonna go get our clutch installed. We got a stage rear clutch and MGW short throw shifter.
Don't they say about big hands?
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah.